Are your employees really good at their jobs but a little less confident when it comes to public speaking? Do they struggle when making business presentations? Well, if so, they're not alone. Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public Speaking, and many companies come to us because they don't want public speaking to hold back their employees any longer. They want their employees to speak in an organized way and not waste time. They want them to present with poise and confidence. And they want them to have an executive presence so that their ideas are taken seriously. If any of this sounds like your training needs, then I want to invite you to a free 30-minute speaking success strategy session. In the session, we'll add some clarity around where are you trying to go and how can we help you get there with our custom in-house workshops. You know, I have more than 20 years of experience working with 6 large corporations, and I know exactly what it takes to put together a great business presentation. I've helped hundreds of people achieve their public speaking goals, and I know I can help your company too. Are you ready to take action? Are you ready to have employees that make presentations that can turn heads, win hearts, and get results? Then let's talk. Book your session right now. Hey, you're going places. Let us help you get to the top.